I've just changed the pin on Windows 11. Alright everyone, let's do this quickly. On your keyboard, you can press the Windows key plus the letter I, press them together, and this page will open. On this page, go to the Accounts option so you can change the PIN. In this menu, scroll down and you'll see Sign-in options here. Click on this option. There you go. Now click here on PIN, and once you click, you'll see the option below to change your PIN. Click here to modify it. Now you just need to enter your current PIN here, type the new PIN, and confirm, okay? I'm going to type it here. Done, I've entered the current one and my new PIN. Note that it's best to include letters and symbols, okay? If you check this option here, you'll have to include letters and symbols. If you leave it unchecked, you can use just numbers, for example, okay? But if you want more security, check this option and include them, alright? So now click OK. And that's it, I've just changed the PIN on Windows 11. It's simple and quick, I hope I helped. If I helped, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.